Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I actually got a bit of a treat for you. I have three journaling Bibles by Barbour that I'm going to show you. They are um, all kind of different in a little way, but not much. And I just thought you guys would like to see them. The first one I'm going to do is the King James Holy Bible Personal Reflections edition. It's a wide margin Bible for artists, doodlers, and poets and journalers. Now, this one is meant for like if you don't want to take notes, but you want to just draw whatever, you can do that. There are absolutely no lines in it, but you don't have to use it for it. You can use it for whatever you want. So as you can see in here, you get two columns of text, and then plenty of space to journal, or paint whatever you would like to do. The best part about this as well, I found that I really liked, is it's also red letter edition. So words of Christ are in red. And this one is just a really pretty girly, journaling Bible. I think they have a few others, or at least I've seen. I think there might be a blue and tan one. I'm not positive, so don't quote me on that. The next one I have is also King James. It's a wide margin personal notes edition, so this one definitely has your lines in the margin for you to do all your notes and whatnot. And this is another one by Barbour, and they have also the words of Christ in red. So this is what this is like. And this one was, I didn't show it, but that has, instead of any gild, is just flowery on the sides. Whereas this one is gold gilded. And again, you get your two columns of text, and then your space for your journaling. And also, they didn't leave it out. Words of Christ are in red. This was my first one that I got by Barbour because I want one with lines. And then I bought this one as well. Went and going, you know what? I'll get that one because I don't personally care if there are lines or not. If I could write in that space, I would use it. So, thought that was awesome. And then the newest one, at least I think it's the newest one, that Barbour came out with is, instead of calling it like your personal notes, your personal notes edition or our personal reflections, they're just simply calling this one the Journaling Bible. And I got this one at Lifeway, and it normally retails for $49.99, but while you still have a Lifeway store open, I would totally go and price match any Bibles that you want or any Bible supplies, because they are closing all their stores and they will remain only online. And when you purchase anything from them online, unfortunately, you cannot use your store points, and you can't price match. What the price is what you get. So, if you still have one that's open near you, I would stock up, before they close on you. But anyway, this one is the same way, I think. I hope. But anyway, this is going to be a bound leather edition. And so this one is, if you've got a guy who likes to journal, this one is perfectly okay for a guy because there's nothing girly about it, so it's another King James version. It is gold gilded. The only thing with these I kind of don't like is that they only have one ribbon, kind of like a two ribbon thing. But of course, if you are able and stuff, you can totally probably put another ribbon in there and everything. And yes, this one didn't say it on the box anywhere, but yes, it is also got words of Christ in red. And as you can see, plenty of room to do journaling. And so I just thought I would go ahead and show you guys, all three of them. You can get whichever one you wanted. I got these first two here. I got these at Barnes & Noble. And so this one, the pink and tan one, will retail for $39.99 at Barnes & Noble. The purple one, same price. But if you've got your membership and a coupon, you won't spend as much. And then again, this one here retails for $49.99 at Lifeway, but I purchased it and price matched it from ChristianBook.com for $23.99. So this is what they look all together. And like I said, this one's obviously girly. The purple one is probably still considered girly, but if you got a guy, this would be the one to get him and stuff. But I just went ahead and decided I'd show you guys what they look like and everything. That will do it for the journaling Bibles and everything. I just thought it'd be cool to see 3 different versions from Barbour, and that'll do it for it. So if you got or subscribe, thank you so much. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and as always, if you got a nice comment or suggestion, please leave so down below. Bye.